Hello. So in this video, I'm going to test a popular strategy in Forex Factory forum called Trading Made Simpler. Okay, I'll give you the link down below so you can download all the indicators and the templates. Okay, just load the templates. So it's basically this is a Heikin-Ashi and APB candle, and then you have the EMA. I think Synergy, Heikin-Ashi, and this is a hollow moving average. And you have EMA 5 shift 2. And then this is a stochastic, 2 stochastic line and RSI line. Okay, so just go to the Forex Factory link down below. Just download the templates and all the indicators so you can have similar to mine. And okay, so for sell, yeah. Okay, so there's two type of entry, crossover entry and continuation entry. So in this video, I'm going to test crossover entry first. So I'll do continuation trade for another video. Okay, so for crossover trade, for sell, basically you wait for the EMA and hollow moving average to cross down, and then you want the candle to be red, yeah, and then all the line, the RSI and the stochastics have to be below 50 line. Okay, this purple line is 50 line. So everything has to align the first time it crossed down. All right, so you can put your stop loss 2 candles back. So this is the original strategy. Stop loss is 2 candles back. But in this test, I'm going to use ATR instead because it's faster to back test. So I use this indicator, no nonsense ATR. So I put 2 and 2. So 2 times ATR for stop loss and 2 times ATR for take profit. Okay. So I'm just going to target 1-to-1 first to see if this have any edge. So I just click on the candle. So you see here, so I just input it. 15, 15, so sell. Okay, so what you can do is you can target 2-to-1, or you can open 2 positions, and then once your TP is hit, move your stop loss to break even, and then exit when the Heikin-Ashi or hollow moving average change color. Okay, you do whatever you want. But in this test, I'm going to just test the 1-to-1 to see how it performs. Okay. Okay. So I think it cross. Not yet. I think. Okay, here it crossed down again. Candles red, and all the line is below 50, so you enter. Okay, see here. All right. Okay, I think when it cross. Okay, so this candle doesn't happen yet. Okay, you see this candle. Okay, so when it cross, the line hasn't reached the above 50, so I'm not gonna take this. It has to cross, all of them has to cross above 50 the first time it cross up. Okay, oh, good. We'll wait for cross up or down. Okay, I think this cross up. Yeah. So all above 50 line and blue candle, so you enter. All right. Hit stop loss. Okay, we cannot enter here because we need all of them to align. Okay, cross. Yeah, I think we can take this. All of them below 50, so we can take this. Okay, we got it. Wait for another cross. Okay, so cross for the first time, but it's not so. So this line doesn't reach below 50. We need all of them. I think it hasn't crossed yet. I want a clean cross. Okay, so it's a clean one. Okay, so this line doesn't reach the below 50 yet, so I'm not gonna take this. I want everything aligned for the first time. Okay, so here, okay, it crossed for the first time and everything aligns above 50. So I'm gonna enter. Okay, so we got it. Does it cross? Okay, it crossed here. Back down a bit. Okay. Cross. Okay. This is the first time it crossed, so you enter sell. Okay, got stop tag. Cross again. Yes, everything aligned. So you enter here. Okay, hit our stop loss. Does it cross? I'm not sure. No, I want a clean cross. Difficult to see. Okay, here. Okay. All right. Another one. Okay, we got it. So another thing is, if the candle is too big, you don't take it. Okay. But in the back test, I'm gonna take every trade. It doesn't matter if it's a big candle or not. I'm gonna take every trade. I want to be as objective as possible. But according to the creator of this strategy, you don't take the big candle. Okay, so I'm going to test this 100 times. Okay, yeah, I'm going to test this 100 times, and we'll see if this is profitable. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the result of 100 tests. Okay, so it's a Euro USD 1 hour chart from 2 January 2020 until 20 July 2020. So in 100 trade, we won 61 trades and 39 losses. Okay, so that's 61% win rate in 100 trades. Okay, and that's pretty average. Nothing spectacular about it. So if you use 1-to-1, this is the expected win rate is. Okay, it's around 60 to 67 win rate. Okay, in 100 tests, usually it's around that range. Okay, so we have max consecutive wins 7, max consecutive loss 3, and we made 4,700 in 100 trade. Okay, so that's a 47% gain on account, and that include spread and commission as well. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, and when I test this strategy, the market is trending. Okay, and the strategy is very good in trending market, and in ranging market it might not perform as well, so you have to be careful with that. And another thing is this is a crossover entry. There's another one called a continuation entry, where you enter in the middle. Okay, so according to the creator of this strategy, the continuation trade has higher win rate. Okay, so we'll see about that. I'll make another video about a continuation trade. Okay, I mean, yeah, that's pretty okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below for your YouTube algorithm. Okay, so yeah, thanks. Bye.